Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you SeatGeek how to list tickets. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to list tickets on SeatGeek, the first step is to sign into SeatGeek. So simply head over and open up the SeatGeek application or simply sign in any browser on the SeatGeek.com website. Then once logged into your account or signed in, what you need to know is sign in using the same email you used to buy the tickets. Then once that's done, what you need to do is tap on the tickets icon at the bottom of your screen, and then next is to select the event. Then choose the tickets you want to list, and then note that tickets must be mobile or electronic and transferable. The next is to tap on sell tickets option, and then SeatGeek will suggest a price, and you can now accept the suggested price or set your own listing price. Then note that price slightly lower than similar seats to sell the faster. The next step is to set payout. Enter your bank account or PayPal details, confirm payout information which is required before your listing goes live. The next step is to publish the listing. Give all the details that you have done, then simply tap on these tickets on the bottom and your tickets are now live on SeatGeek. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. If this video was useful to you, leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.